Hey guys, and welcome back to Phonics with Uncle Sam. Who's ready for today's lesson? Nice. Now, we are going to quickly go into our sound revision. And in today's sound revision, we're going to do an activity of dancing. We are calling it Come and Dance. Now, I'm going to share these sounds with you, and then I'll be doing the actions. So if you see your action that represents the sound that you have, you come in front and do a bit of some dancing. Okay, so our first sound we are giving out is this one. So you can have this one, and then our next sound is this. You can also have this one, and then our last sound is this. So have that one. Okay, now the activity goes like this. If you see your sound, come and dance. If you see your sound, come and dance. Come and dance. Okay, who has that sound? Come and dance. Good. Come and dance. Next, if you see your sound, come and dance. If you see your sound, come and dance. Come and dance. Who has that one? Come on. Come and dance. Last one. If you see your sound, come and dance. If you see your sound, come and dance. Come and dance. Who has that? Come and dance. Come on. Come and dance. Good job. So we looked at the sound and the sound and the last one was e. Good job. Story time. Memory, Messi, and Mwila are sitting together at break time, talking about their favorite foods. I love mangoes. I love mushrooms. I love maize. Then Mwila's mom brings them roasted maize at school. The children rub their tummies and say, Can you tell me what your favorite meal is? What's your favorite food? I love popcorns. How about you? Yes? I feel like eating your food. And so today's sound of the day is the sound and it's represented by the letter M. So M says And then the action for this sound is So you rub on your tummy like you're looking forward to eating that food and say Okay, now let's sing a song about the sound The song goes like, Mwila's mom makes many meals. Mwila's mom makes many meals. Mwila's mom makes many meals for the hungry children. Clap for yourselves. We are now going to try and write the sound Now, what type of a letter is it? It's a small letter, and we say small letters sit in between the middle and the bottom line. So how do we form that? So we go like down, up, over, down, up, over, down. One more time. Down, up, over, down, up, over, down. Now that's how we write the sound Now let's try and write it in the air. How do we write it in the air? So it's a small letter and it starts in the middle. So we go down, up, over, down, up, over, down. Good job. Let's try and blend to read some words with today's sound. Now remember, today's sound is a sound Okay, now let's read the following words. So we identify them by adding the dots. So what sound is this? Man. Good. And this one? E. Him. Good. And this one? Hum. Good. And this one? S. What word is that? Mess. Good job. Let's also see if we can hear today's sound in our sounding pictures. So our first picture there is of a picture of a boy. Now what is that boy doing? He's running. So our word for today is run. Run. Can you hear today's sound in the word run? No. And run looks like this. Run. Okay. Our next picture is a picture of what? What do you see there? It's a map. Yes, it's a map of the world. Map. Now, can you hear the sound in the word map? Yes. And where is it? Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or it's at the end? It's at the beginning. Map. Okay, so our word is map. Map. Good job. Our next picture, who's that? That's a man. Okay, that's a man. Can we hear the sound in man? Yes. Where is it? Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or the end? Beginning. So that's our word, man. Man. Okay, and our last picture, what's that? What's that? It's a mat. Good. A mat. Can you hear today's sound in the word mat? Yes. And where is it? Beginning, middle, or the end? It's at the beginning. Good job. So that's our word. Mat. Mat. Good job. So our last activity, I want you to write the following sounds in your books. Number 1, write the sound Okay. And then number 2, I want you to write the sound Number 3, I want you to write the sound A. And then on number 4, I want you to write the word ram. Good job. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next episode. It's been Phonics with Uncle Sam. Thank you for watching, and remember, you can still get your own copy of the Jolly Phonics Teacher's Guide from Beyond Ourselves Zambia. So all you need to do is follow their page and then inbox them, Uncle Sam sent me. So the inboxing of Uncle Sam sent me should go on Beyond Ourselves Zambia page, not Phonics with Uncle Sam. Beyond Ourselves Zambia. The link to their page is actually in the description there. You'll notice in the description there's Beyond Ourselves Zambia. Just click on the words Beyond Ourselves Zambia and you have access to their page. Follow them, then inbox them, Uncle Sam sent me, and you get the book at 10% discount. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.